Good morning, children. How are you all? So this is a second session or part 2 of the session or the same chapter, continuation of the same chapter. Today I am going to tell you a simple story based on friendship. Do we have friends? Yes, everybody has friends in our lives. What do you think? Now, in front of you, I have kept some animals. This is a cow. This is a horse. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. This is a horse. This is a spider. Okay, so these are animals. Do you think, like us, like human beings, do animals have friendship among them? Yes? What do you think? Do they make friends? Do they have friends? Do they share like us? So, I'm going to explain this in a very simple way, a small short story about true friendship. When you make friendship with someone, you should be ready to help that person. So, these are some of the animals which is surrounding us. So, if you think if they can make friendship among themselves, then we as human beings, 100% definitely we have friends. So we should stick to our friendship. And there's a beautiful saying, a proverb, a friend in need is a friend in deed. And this happens only when you have true friendship. Okay, this story is about a bird, a sparrow, a birdie, a sparrow, and a snake. A baby sparrow and a snake. In simple, I will show you what is the story about. Yes? This is a baby snake. This is a baby snake and this is a baby sparrow. Both are going to the same school, both are studying in the same class and both are friends. But if you see children, the snake does not agree with sparrow and the sparrow does not agree with snake because both are enemies. The snake um, catches the sparrow for his food. So the birds will be always far away from the snake. But here in the story, you will find, yes, you will find the snake and the baby sparrow are so friendly, they are fond of each other. So this is a beautiful story about a baby sparrow and a baby snake. Before that, the concept of our lesson is friendship. Friendship can happen in human beings as well as animals because animals also have feelings. So even they can have friends in their community as well as when we tame animals, they become our friends. So what I want you to do is you have to prepare animal face mask of different animals. It can be bird, it can be animal, it can be insect. So what is convenient for you, which you feel it easy, you can. I will show you one method, one type, how to do it. There are some examples. Yes, this is a face mask which I have done with a plain paper to show you. This is the bunny rabbit. This is elephant. Yes, everybody knows this is the face mask what I have done. This is another animal. So there are n number of animals which you can think about one particular animal you can make. And now, what is this? Yes, what is this? This is nothing but a tweety. It's a bird, it's a tweety. Yes, you can make a face mask like this and you punch here at the sides and you tie a string and you can use it like a face mask. Then I have one sample piece for you, what I have done or what I have brought it for you. I will show you this in the next class how to make this face mask. I have taken butterfly. You can take any other insect or bird or animal as per your convenience. So now coming back to the lesson, I will show you what is the story or what is the friendship about. Yes? Now, this is the story. This is the story about. This is the story about. Yes, this is the story about a baby sparrow and a baby snake. So here is the baby snake, which is not very clear. I will show you in the next class. Yes, it's in your text. I'll show you. This is the baby snake. This is the baby sparrow. Both are studying in the same school. Both are studying in the same school. Baby sparrow's mother is telling baby sparrow, be careful my child when you go to school. Maintain distance from the snake. They are not our friends, they are our enemy. They kill birds and they eat away the young ones or the eggs. But the baby sparrow just ignores the mother and goes to school. At the same time, father snake is packing baby snake's tiffin, and in the tiffin he has packed the bird's egg and is proudly telling the baby snake that they hunt or catch or kill birds for their food. So, both of them, they go to school, and in the school, when they meet each other, they both look very upset and dull. They both look very upset and dull. So, they both ask each other, why are they dull? Why are they upset? Why are they annoyed? So, baby sparrow tells that his or her mother has told to maintain distance from baby snake because they are not friends, they are enemies of birds. In the same way, the baby snake says, my father has packed bird's egg in my tiffin, which I don't like because I always take you as my friend, so I don't want to eat bird's egg. So now both of them, they decide what has to be done. There should be a solution or there should be some valid reason that they can say that they are good friends. So both of them, they decide and they take a white sheet of paper and they draw two circles like this. They draw two circles like this. Yes, in one circle they color it yellow and the other circle they color it blue. And in the center, which is interlocking both, is in green color. I'll show you in the textbook, which is very easy for you to understand. Yes, you can see here. You can see here. This is the yellow part. This is the yellow part, this is the blue part, and here in the center, which is interlocking both, is the green part. They both sit together and they decide about their qualities or appearance or what they eat or what they do. So based on that, they are going to decide. Now, in the yellow part, in the yellow shaded part, you can see that baby sparrow says, I look like a powder puff, because the bird is round and full of feather. So people call me, I am a powder puff. So the baby sparrow draws a powder puff. And because I am a bird, I have wings, I can fly. I can fly very fast, I can fly slow, I can fly high, I can fly low. So you can call me as an aeroplane. I fly like a aeroplane. So the sparrow draws a aeroplane. The sparrow says, I eat worms and insects, and most of the time I keep digging near the leaves or grasses where I can find tiny, tiny worms. So now it is the chance of the baby snake. The baby snake says, my body structure is so ugly. I am not beautiful. I am not straight. Yes, I always look like a rope. I always look like a rope. You can call me a rope or a string. And my body movement, when I crawl or when I move, I look like a train which has got bogies attached, because it moves in a crooked line. And then I eat on rats, mice or frogs. So these are the qualities or how I look or what you can write about a snake. And in the yellow shaded part, these are the things about the baby sparrow. In the blue shaded area, it is about the snake. And in between, you can see there is a Tweety and a snake. After all, even there is difference between both, but both are friends. So what is this lesson, or what is the baby sparrow and the snake giving us the message? Size, color, structure, or nothing matters. Maybe it is an example for us. We always keep fighting about things or comparing. Okay, so when you make friendship, you don't see whether that person is rich or poor, or ugly or beautiful, strong or weak. Nothing. Friendship just happens. So when you make friends, you should retain that friendship till the last, because friends, they help you when you are in need. You can share what feelings you have with your friends. Friends can play with you, they can help you in study, they can help you in completing your work, or they can lend their books to you. So friendship we should maintain by trusting each other. Just because the baby sparrow had trust on the baby snake and the baby snake had trust on the baby sparrow, their friendship continued. And in the end, they are happy, both friends again. It is not how you are, it depends on how you maintain your friendship. And along with the face mask, you can also make beautiful wall hangings with the help of um, paper plate, color papers, glue, stapler, and any other decorative items you want. This is a sample that I have made. If you want to try, you can try in a different way. This is one, and this is another one which I have made it in a very simple way. Okay, and this is the butterfly activity that we will be doing in the next class. This will be the butterfly activity that we'll be doing in the next class. So keep the required materials ready in the next session.